Hello, welcome back to my channel, Inspect, Reflect and Reform. My name is David Stone. Today I bring here a very interesting topic, that is 78th Independence Day speech of PM Modi. PM Modi with speech he bring up so many issues like one nation, one election, like Bangladeshi Hindus crisis, women's safety, viva allow uniform civil code, and other so many issues. Longest speech ever delivered by Indian Prime Minister. Before today, Zomozohi 96 minutes delivered in 2016, while this time he delivered his speech 98 minutes, so he break his record once again. Now let's see one by one what are the issues or topic that he brings up, like a Bangladeshi issue, so women's safety. So first let's see Bangladeshi issues. Lal Kilahi Lal and Pinu speech Pinu Pinu Pivi speech in have any Bangladeshi problem we mentioned so on you. Pivi
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, बांग्लादेश में जो कुछ भी हुआ है उसको लेकर पड़ोसी देश के नाते चिंता होना, मैं इसको समझ सकता हूं। मैं आशा करता हूं कि वहां पर हालात जल्द ही सामान्य होंगे। खास करके 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की चिंता कि वहां हिंदू, वहां के अल्पसंख्यक, उस समुदाय की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित हो। भारत हमेशा चाहता है कि हमारे पड़ोसी देश सुख और शांति के मार्ग पर चले। शांति के प्रति हमारा कमिटमेंट है, हमारे संस्कार है। हम आने वाले दिनों में बांग्लादेश की विकास यात्रा में हमेशा हमारा शुभचिंतन ही रहेगा, क्योंकि हम मानव जात की भलाई सोचने वाले लोग हैं।
Bangladeshi Hindus Maito Donu worried so any Pinus Pivi speaking power have done you, and then he wished hopes the condition normalize soon in Bangladesh. And there are so many other political leaders in the role that mentioning about that the Hindus were in attack by the Muslim in Bangladesh. So it's a worried for us as neighboring country. Neighboring country Tatani it away India here. The Kiju Habi Davaniluza. If Bangladesh like Bangladeshi Hindu or Muslim attack continuously attacking, then then the Hindus of the Bangladeshi may migrate. India he migrates so Luluza. Problem hai handle so you tatilani have any Prime Minister mentions way P speech in you. Next in you P speech in have a mentions way for women's safety.
इसको देश को, समाज को, हमारी राज्य सरकारों को गंभीरता से लेना होगा। महिलाओं के विरुद्ध अपराधों की जल्द से जल्द जांच हो, राक्षसी कृत्य करने वालों को जल्द से जल्द कड़ी सजा हो। वो समाज में विश्वास पैदा करने के लिए जरूरी है। मैं ये भी बताना चाहूंगा कि जब बलात्कार की या महिलाओं पर अत्याचार की घटनाएं घटती हैं तो उसकी बहुत चर्चा होती है, बहुत प्रचार होता है, मीडिया में छाया रहता है। लेकिन जब ऐसे राक्षसी मनोवृत्ति व्यक्ति को सजा होती है तो वो खबरों में कहीं नजर नहीं आती है, कोने में कहीं पड़ा रहता है। अब समय की मांग है कि जिनको सजा होती है उसकी व्यापक चर्चा हो, ताकि ऐसा पाप करने वालों को भी डर पैदा हो कि ये पाप करने की हालत ये होती है कि फांसी पर लटकना पड़ता है। और मुझे लगता है कि ये डर पैदा करना बहुत जरूरी है।
Not my safety vadenu. Jovi Kolkata he second year postgraduate doctor trainee at RZ Car Medical College he Havanu. Not money her repsul and mother sutaju. He kesate shwani panube. Savani pinu Havanu culprit my toy. Masoju my toy. Honazo home my toy nilanu punishment high Tashwani Pivol in Havanu Panube. La pinu mentioned Susan. Not my hai case rape so the mother so thaju hai thashon dipong hi spread so dabe but culprit mai to masoju mai to hai punishment puju hai खै खै सवन्यू पुइबे सवान्यू openly punishment puiju darakai ala puiju paisa poli redinu paisa pu more redinu openly he punishment puiju darakai ni haba pini pawe kesna detail hini juko jupaki pi living hi hai right in hospital hini haba pi ninna hai suicide so ani thaide ni mention pawe puibe but next hi ko previ vela ani ve details li question no lu ani haba ni details postmortem suju paki rape so and so thaju details ngau le kha report hai pa ni details ni report hai pa ni ngau le kolkata hi strike so ni problem hai te show ni whole india hi sex so ni problem hai na sex so ni be and I just like to request to all my sisters, to Nordic sisters or our sisters, those who stay outside, to be very careful because India is not a safe country. Be very careful and stay safe. Savanu PM Modi openly women's safety vanu openly have an epi speech in the harassment suju maito women's safety vanu pile openly punishment puju criminals maito hai pues poilu redino openly punishment puju hai daraka in have a previous speech in have a mention so another big news announcement by PM Modi is that news are 75,000 more medical seats have within 5 years in Chrysler Sole. This is a good news for the medical aspirants. As we know, our student went to foreign countries in Panu, Doanu has a new nursing the doctor do tabiju. Medical student meto have a new vako tabjala, either student meto have vako out of country in Panu. Dobiju had a lot of expenses. There are a lot of expenses, difficulties, many crises which are faced not only by families but it's faced by government as well. Problem hana mitigate solely revenue. The issues hana have in order to bring safety for the citizens. He bring up such an ideas that to bring up a good opportunities for every student. Next in PM Modi being happy with speech in about the power. Conducting election conduct so you have repeatedly so you have contribute resource that show so it will better that one nation one election havani bali ni conduct so toju darkai ni havani pi speech in havani pa issues another topic that he mentioned is that in India nepotism political background family background hini against repeatedly political party hin mama any political field hin was you have political background families hin vekhai so there's no opportunity pahamade chuchu non political families in Babiju Maitauza political Hindu participate suju opportunity hade savanu like Modi's want 1 lakh individuals from non-political families to come and take part in various political field like Gram Panchayat, Jila Parishad, Nagar Palikas, Legislative Assembly, Lok Sabha and so many other politicals from so many political parties in interfere so on participate so on have any
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, जब मैं देश में एक चिंता हमेशा कहता हूं, परिवारवाद, जातिवाद भारत के लोकतंत्र को बहुत नुकसान कर रहा है। देश को लोक राजनीति को हमें परिवारवाद और जातिवाद से मुक्ति दिलानी होगी। आज मैं देख रहा हूं मेरे सामने जो नौजवान है उसमें लिखा हुआ है माय भारत, जिस संगठन का नाम है उसकी चर्चा लिखी है, यहाँ बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से लिखा हुआ है। माय भारत के अनेक मिशन है। एक मिशन ये भी है कि हम जल्द से जल्द देश में राजनीतिक जीवन में जनप्रतिनिधि के रूप में 1 लाख ऐसे नौजवानों को आगे लाना चाहते हैं। शुरुआत में 1 लाख नौजवानों को आगे लाना चाहते हैं जिनके परिवार में किसी का भी कोई राजनीतिक बैकग्राउंड न हो, जिसके माता पिता भाई बहन चाचा मामा मामी कभी भी राजनीति में नहीं रहे, किसी भी पीढ़ी में नहीं रहे, ऐसे होनहार नौजवानों को फ्रेश ब्लड 1 लाख, चाहे वो पंचायत में आए, चाहे नगर पालिका में आए, चाहे जिला परिषदों में आए, चाहे विधानसभा में आए, लोकसभा में आए, 1 लाख नए नौजवान कोई भी प्रकार का पूर्व का राजनीतिक इतिहास उनके परिवार का ना हो। ऐसे फ्रेश लोग राजनीति में आए ताकि जातिवाद से मुक्ति मिले।
Another topic that he mentioned is that India is dreaming to host 2036 Olympics.
तो साथियों, हिंदुस्तान का सपना है कि 2036 में जो ओलंपिक होगा वो मेरे हिंदुस्तान की धरती पर हो। इसके लिए हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए हम आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Happy with speech in have a be India had dreaming so chuchu had dreaming so ani be 2036 we Olympic had host so lay in so chuan be. So there can be so many changes in India talking about in after I'm just talking about 12 after 12 years. However, the question is that could India be ready that there will be so many expenses? Possibility is that can cross 30 to 40 billion dollars can be spent. Just comment your view. Could India be host 2036 Olympics, and that be profitable for the country? Next, he also mentioned in his speech that about the Uniform Civil Code. He said that the laws that create division within the country are outdated. Country law have create law so have you divide so any country already divide so have you law has a abolish ala new modern society with laws take hana shitone povela you have pinu this mentioned so way that should be secular and not discriminatory. Discriminatory sumoni has a new civil court shitone povela you have pinu have an power like a woman for a woman welfare and so on. But these are some of the important key issues that he bring up in his speech. So that's all for today. Do support my channel by subscribing, like and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.